Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3 treble with picot stitch. This stitch is a really good way to finish off a granny square blanket. All it is a 3 treble cluster, which is what you do traditionally in your granny squares, but you're finishing off with a picot right in the centre of it as you go. And what you do is if you do that all the way around the edge of a blanket, when you finish, it just creates a nice little gentle border there, a little picot border. There it is from the back as well. I actually think it might look a little neater from the back, but you can have it either which way. So what we'll do is show you how to do the stitch. So you can see here, I have already done one side. I'm just going to take you across this side to demonstrate today. So this 2 chain is just my corner to get me over to the next side. So what you're going to do the 3 treble crochet, you're going to work 2 treble stitches, like so. 2 treble stitches. Now instead of moving on to the 3rd, you're going to do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then that 3 chain, you're then going to take your hook, you're going to push your hook through the front loop of the top of the 2nd treble. So if you count back 1, 2, 3, here's your stitch. You're going to go back down through the front loop only, like there. Then you're going to go down to the bottom of the treble, and you see the 2 legs here. You're just going to take your hook and from front to back push through right through the middle like that. Yarn round and pull through all of those loops on your hook. And what that does is secure the picot. That's your picot done, and you're just going to work your 3rd treble into the same space. And there you have that. So same again. I'll show you again. So into your next section, 2 treble, stop on your 2nd treble. From there, work 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. From there to the top of the treble stitch you just worked. So if you're unsure, count back 3. 1, 2, 3. There's the top of the stitch. You're going to go from top to bottom through the front loop only. Leave that hoop on your stitch down to the bottom of the stitch. And you see the 2 legs there through the middle to the back. Like so. Yarn round and slip stitch through all of those loops. That secures the picot, and then do your 3rd treble like so. So this stitch is worked with the wrong side of the work facing. So there you can see I've got my picots there, makes a nice little bump. If you turn it over, can you see it's creating a beautiful border edging. So this is probably best used with maybe slightly, I'm using a chunky yarn here. I think this would look really good in a DK or an Aran, but I think imagine that all around a lovely blanket. It'll just finish it off nicely. And that is your 3 treble with picot.